In this video, I'll show you how to get promo code deals for Peloton. If you find this video helpful, please leave a like and sub to the channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, open up any web browser, head on over to Google, and now inside the Google search box, type in promo code deals for Peloton. Then click search. Make sure to spell correctly, and then once I scroll down, you'll see different third-party sites offering promo code deals. So we got Oz Bargain, Real Tell Me Not, Don't Pay Full, We Thrift It. So you got all the big players here, so you can jump into any one of these websites to get promo code deals, but the one I like to use for this site is called don'tpayfull.com. We've got 15% off Peloton promo code deals. You might need to get past the capture to continue, so mine was automatic. And then as you can see, I'm in don'tpayfull.com, and you can see all the different Peloton promo code deals here. So we got $16.99 monthly, $35 off app membership when billed yearly, etc. So you can click onto any one of these offers, and these offers do change daily or weekly, so be sure to check these out every so often. And you can even see the expired Peloton coupon deals, so you can have a gander of what they used to offer in the past, so you might be able to forecast the future of the different deals that they might present to you. All right, so for this demonstration, if I want $34 off app membership when billed yearly, simply click into it, and now it might redirect you to the site. Yep, it does here to activate that offer. So if we have a look at any other these deals here, so you got Don't Pay For, we got We Thrift It. So if I jump into We Thrift It, you can see the promo code deals here. So you got $100 off accessories, $100 off with code, etc. You can even see the history of these promo deals, and you can see this was used 1 day ago with 30 total users. This one at the top here was 15 total users. It was added last used 23 hours ago. So you can copy this code and paste this code at the checkout section of Peloton to activate that deal.